Morning everyone, it's Eddie from EF Travels. This morning I'm going to attempt to put this boy here. It's actually a drip you put across the top of the sliding door. So find there if you're power washing or even at real heavy rain, them Ducatos and Peugeots and Citroens vans, there's no drip lip above the door, and as a result there is a fault. It's a fairly known fault that they can drip in there. Now I have a little drip, it's not much, but still I want to try to prevent it. So I bought this boy here from Amazon. I think you can see it there, I'm not sure. And I'm going to attempt to put it above the door. So this morning I'm going to lay it out and let the heat on it. And I also have the van, you'll see it here in a moment. Look at that for the morning. Unbelievable. The sun's shining. You couldn't beat it with a big stick. Anyhow, I have the van out here at the moment, sitting warming up, and this is where I'm going to put it, just up above that door. And I'm going to get this boy here, and I'm going to straighten him out and lay him out on the ground and let the heat get on it as well, and that way the two will be perfectly warm. So they should stick together a bit better than if they were cold or damp or anything. So it needs to be, the van needs to be dry anyway and warm. So I'll attempt that and I'll get back to you, see how it goes. So that's the packaging there. So I got there pulled off it, so stay there. It's well enough stuck up now. So I'll take this wee boy out. I don't want that old plastic blowing all over the damn place. So I put it here in my pocket just. So that's it there. I bought that there from Amazon. I don't know the price of it at the moment, but I'll give you, I'll let you know later on. So that's it there. It's a sticky back, teaser from one side. So I take it. It goes on like this and sticks, and the water comes down and throws off it. So I'll need to straighten him out. I'll see what distance I need as well. I'll go over there another wee bit. That's about all I need there, so I'll give it an extra wee bit and I'll cut it off. Okay folks, I just got a wee clamp and I clamped it on the top there and run it down here, just along that ladder, down to the bottom to hold it straight, another wee clamp. And I'll let the sun hit that, and that'll soften that as well. And the next thing I'm going to do then is get up on top there, just the top of the door. I'm going to get an alcohol wipe and just clean the top of that to make sure there's nothing on it, that's perfectly clean, that it'll stick well. Once I do that, I'll get back to you. Right, I have an alcohol wipe here. It's unbelievable that morning. The sun had to get on a pair of sunglasses. I'm blinded looking at that old white paint. Anyhow, I have a pair of sunglasses, alcohol wipe. So I'm just going to give that a wee wipe with a wipe. Oh, a couple of sets. Right. Oh.
Camera died. You're being very thorough.
I don't want this bitch coming off after going to the bar putting it on. Right.
I'm going to show what it is you're putting on.
I'm going to put it on, alright.
You're stretching it out.
I'm not going to stretch it. I'm going to put it on without stretching it if I can help it.
No, I meant, you know, unrolled. You had it taped to the, sorry, stuck to the ladder.
Stuck to the ladder, heater up and warmer.
Yeah.
Are you already tired them that be?
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
oh,
2 days ago.
Step ahead then.
Right, I'm going to attempt this. I don't know if it'll work or not. It's probably worth a try. So,
Anything's worth a try.
Worth a try. Don't knock it till you try it. Not what they say.
That's it.
Uh,
That's it. They haven't a notion what they're talking about.
Some of this. Do you know how much this wee bike cost? I don't.
No. I'll put it up.
Anyway.
I'll put it up on the screen whenever I'm editing. All right.
This is good enough grip anyway.
A wee bit shadowy because of the sun this morning.
Yeah, it's just hard to. That is hard to see by.
But that's good, Eddie. That looks good.
But I can't see us in line or not.
Well, what about if you open the door back?
It'll make no difference.
Right.
I'll try it, but it's very, very hard to see.
You know what I mean? At least you'd be able to feel the bottom of it. And see the bottom of it. Oh. Not too good at the side camera job. There's the inside of my van.
I don't like them glasses, Faye.
Right, well then.
I want to get my own head on that there.
You try and help somebody out. Anyway. Hopefully that'll stop, you know, the drip that comes in. But I don't know. We'll see.
Right.
Anything's worth a try.
Still a bit high.
Yeah, it's very hard to see with the sun whether I think I'm getting you alright. Or whether it's proper footage.
I think I'll stop there now.
You see it a bit better?
Yeah.
I'm just full of great ideas, aren't I?
Yeah, well, it's
Yes, Vivian would be just nice, yeah.
I don't know if this will help or not, but
Yeah, I
it's
know,
worth a
but
try.
yeah,
I've seen a wee drip coming down in here.
yeah. No, it was down. See where the towel is?
Yeah.
See where the towel is in front of the cooker? That's where the drip was coming down. So if this helps a bit, even if it's not perfect, if it helps a bit.
This is there's no job done for you.
Yay! Do you want my list?
I don't want your list.
Do you want my list?
That's you for the next 6 months.
Lovely. Just what do you think?
Okay, folks.
Lovely stuff. I just another wee look inside my van just when I'm here.
And you're
Just
not
when
going
I'm
when you're
here.
coming back from Wicklow. You're not going on another run.
I'm sure you're going out in the bike. Doesn't she look well? Doesn't she look well? I think she looks great. And
Okay.
again, as I said, look at those lovely shells I've got up there. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Leave it. Morning, everyone. It's Eddie here again. Just a wee follow up on the strip that I put above the door of the van. As you can see there, that wee water strip there. And it's been raining all night, and I haven't opened this van. So this will be the first time I've opened it from I put the strip on, and I'm hoping it'll be dry. So that was the wee rag we put on, our wee tea towel. Vivian put down there to stop. There was wee drips coming in there. As you can see, okay, I've touched their sweat, but I shouldn't have touched it. Now, okay, the rain's coming in there now a little bit, but I mean the van is dry. So far, the van, yeah, it seems to have done its job all right. It stops the rain running down from here. running down and dripping straight into the door, so that'll stop that. It drips out over the door there now. So that seems to be a success. So yeah, would I recommend it? Yeah, put one on. It'll definitely it'll cure any wee bit of damp or wee drips coming into the valve if there's a couple coming in. Okay, that's it for now.